In this video, I'll guide you through how to change ownership or hosts for Google Meet events. Whether you're handing a meeting over to someone else or just adding support so you're not running it alone, I'll walk you through the process step by step so everything goes smoothly. Let's start with getting to your event. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with the account that actually owns the event you want to change. If you're using multiple accounts, double check that the profile picture in the top right corner matches the account that created the meeting. This avoids a lot of confusion if you don't see the event you're expecting. Once your calendar is open, locate the event that has the Google Meet link you want to update. You can find it by scrolling to the correct date or by using the search bar at the top and typing in the event title. When you see the event on your calendar, click it once to open the event preview. From this small preview window, you'll see basic event details like the title, time, guests, and the Google Meet link. To actually make changes to the organizer or hosts, you need to go into the full editing view, click the edit button, which usually looks like a small pencil icon. This opens the full event details page where you can adjust all of the settings for your meeting. Now that you're in the editing screen, this is where you can change who's in charge of the meeting. Depending on your setup and permissions, you'll either be transferring ownership to a new organizer or assigning one or more co-hosts to help manage the call. If your account and organization allow changing the organizer, look for an option related to the event, organizer, or owner. When you choose a new organizer, you'll typically need to select someone from your contacts or type in their email address. Keep in mind that transferring ownership usually gives that person control over the event details, including the Google Meet link, guest list, and notifications. Once the organizer is changed, you may lose some control over future edits, so be sure you're ready to hand it off. If you just want help managing the meeting without giving up full ownership, you can assign co-hosts instead. In the event details, look for the Google Meet settings or host controls area. Here you'll find options to choose co-hosts from your guest list. Select the people you want to act as co-hosts. Co-hosts can help admit participants, mute people, manage breakout rooms, and handle other in-call controls, depending on how your organization has things set up, but you remain the main organizer in Calendar. Once you've updated the organizer or assigned your co-hosts, the last step is to save your changes. Click the Save button near the top of the event page. After you do this, Google Calendar may ask if you want to send updated invitations or emails to your guests. It's usually a good idea to send the update so everyone knows about any changes in control or meeting details. After saving, your changes are applied to the Google Meet event. The new organizer or co-hosts will automatically have the appropriate permissions the next time the meeting runs, and your guests will continue to use the same calendar event and Meet link. That's all you need to do. By opening your event in Google Calendar, editing it, updating the organizer or adding co-hosts, and then saving, you can smoothly shift control of your Google Meet events without needing to recreate anything from scratch.